Do you know what a motion for judgment non-obstante verdicto means? Do you have any idea what that Latin phrase really means? Come join me as I share with you that quick information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. I'm shooting video today here on the island of Jamaica. I'm on a quick vacation with my wife, and she's picking shells out on the beach, and I'm just wanting to give you some quick information about something called a motion for JNOV. The Latin phrase is judgment non-obstante verdicto. Now, what the heck does that mean? Well, at the end of a trial, what happens is that when you get a verdict in your favor, the defense stands up and says, "Judge, I object. I want you to throw the verdict out. It's against the weight of the evidence." We move for a motion for a judgment non-obstante verdicto. Now, the judge knows what that means. The defense lawyer knows what that means. I know what that means. You're sitting in the back of the courtroom. You have no idea what this Latin phrase really means. What does it mean? It basically means that the defense lawyer is asking the court to throw out the verdict because it's against the weight of the evidence. Judgment non-obstante verdicto. It's an old Latin phrase that still is a part of the legal lexicon today that's still used. I don't know why, but it still is. So if you ever hear the phrase judgment non-obstante verdicto, it's simply the defense lawyer asking the judge to throw out the verdict as being against the weight of the evidence, saying that, "Judge, this is impossible. The jury could not have reasonably come back with this verdict if they were thinking straight. The evidence doesn't support the actual verdict." And now the judge will then have to make a decision about whether or not that's true. But when you hear that phrase, now you'll know exactly what that means. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into some of the things that go on in the litigation process in the state of New York, in a medical malpractice case, in an accident case, in a wrongful death case. And if your case goes to trial, it's quite possible you may hear that phrase. And if you have legal questions and your matter happened in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I do this every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski, coming to you from Jamaica. Have a wonderful day.